The liver is one of the largest and hardest working organs in the body. It converts the nutrients in the food we eat into substances the body can use and stores them, and releases them when the cells require. It also detoxifies the blood, and plays a role in producing proteins, even enabling blood to clot after an injury. When a liver is working well, it cleans the blood, helps digest food and fights infection. It has the power to regenerate when it has been damaged, replacing old tissue with new cells. There are some signs that can indicate sluggish liver health. Once this happens, signs and symptoms of liver damage will be more severe. These 8 early warning signs of liver damage. Number 1. Turning yellow. Your skin and the whites of your eyes could turn yellow when the liver isn't working properly, due to a buildup in the blood of a yellowish substance called bilirubin. Common causes of that kind of liver damage or hepatitis, cancer, drinking too much alcohol, abusing ecstasy, exposure to toxic substances and various infections. Number 2. Spider angiomas, another symptom of cirrhosis or swollen blood vessels. Called spider angiomas, these affected blood vessels get their name from their spiderweb-like appearance just below the skin. Number 3. Dark urine. If your urine is orange, brown, cola color or amber, it could be a liver warning sign. There are other causes of dark urine, for instance dehydration, medication, urinary tract infections, kidney problems or eating certain vegetables that color the urine. If you can rule these out, a problem with your liver or bile ducts could be the culprit, and you should speak with your doctor. Number 4. Stool problems. Another sign of liver damage is the color of what you left behind in the toilet bowl. Although poop can change colors with a varied diet, normally it should be a shade of brown. If successive bowel movements are not in this hue, it's a signal that something could be wrong. Black, tarry stools are the result of internal bleeding, which can be a symptom of liver disease or some other serious problem. Number 5. Abdominal pain. When cirrhosis begins to cause pain, it typically comes in the upper right abdomen, or just under the lower right ribs. The pain can be throbbing or stabbing, and it may come and go. If the pain is so intense that you can't sit still, you should seek immediate medical attention. Number 6. Itchy skin. The Mayo Clinic lists liver disease as an underlying cause of itchy skin, as well as kidney failure, thyroid problems and cancer. The itching usually affects the whole body. The skin may look otherwise normal except for the repeatedly scratched areas. Number 7. Bruises. People with liver damage will bruise or bleed more easily because their liver has slowed or stopped production of proteins that are necessary for blood clotting. Number 8. Swelling. When the liver isn't able to do its job, people may start to retain water in their abdomens and legs, causing swelling. In some cases, there just isn't any indication that something is going wrong.